This is GPK 10176. Let's randomize this. Yes, if it, I assume so. It's got a couple left. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Andrew Milo. Michael is MVP. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. All right. So we've got 3 for Andrew, 3 for Luke, 3 for Tyler, 3 for Andrew, 3 for Andrew, 3 for Luke, 3 for Luke, 3 for MVDP. Up first, Tyler Cross. Refractor of second-hand rose. Hyper Rocky Horror. Number 2, 109. I just want to see a super fractor. Locale. Up next is Michael Vanderput. Chrome Chris. And a draft. Jack-o'-lantern. Hygiene. And that is that for MVDP. Up next, Andrew Milo. Hollywood. Yeah, because they're stickers. No, don't peel, don't peel. Purple Wave, Travelin' Travis. Number 250. Bushy Bernice. Yeah, they're a bit older. They're an older sort of collection. Trevi Trey Refractor. The Black Refractor Double Iris. What's that number 2? Just 99. We haven't seen a whole bunch of super short prints. So 99 is actually quite low by comparison. And that is that for Andrew Milo. Finally, I believe it is Luke Mitchell, who has 9 packs. Yes. How are WWE and Jackass looking? They were the closest. Warren. Jackass full. WWE full. Jackass will go, then WWE. Yellow Shimmer Tooth Clevs. Number 2, 2 and 5. Lost Josh, losing faith. Toothless. Tiffany Lamp. Finally, green, Caddy Cathy, and green is number 2. 299. That is that. Oh boy. And that is GPK 10176. So they're meant to look like stickers. Oh, uh-oh. Don't peel, don't peel.